This is Angela Fairbanks, and I am going to do a quick run through my newest product, my digital daily to-do list. This is super easy to navigate. It's very simple, it's very clean, and this is what I use on a daily basis. So I just decided that I would just go ahead and throw it out there to share, but I wanted to walk through it first. As with every GoodNotes type app like this, or type file like this rather, you're going to want to make sure that this blue dot at the top is selected in order for that to work. If it's deselected, the pages are not going to change the way you want them to. So just make sure that this blue dot is at the top right is selected in order to make the links work. So we just start with the tabs on the side are Monday through Friday, or Monday through Sunday, excuse me. And these are very simply just a place where you can put appointments, the top 4 things that you need to accomplish that day, and then any other to-do lists. So those are pretty self-explanatory. The next section over here on the right, you'll see the left, you'll see the tab for urgent items, followed by next week, followed by home tasks, and then waiting, if you're maybe waiting on your partner or your spouse or your child or your co-worker or whatever to do something in particular that you can't act on until they have finished their part. That's where I put that. And then I've given you 3 sections here so you can connect tab 1 and tab 2 and tab 3, go to the different sections, and you can make those whatever you want. And then the very last is just a section with extra paper that you can use, copy that page, or you can use the dot grid page, either one. And like with any other item that you're doing, I did make it this cream color so it would kind of blend with the additional pages that are available through GoodNotes. So for instance, just to walk you through something, so let's say you wanted to add an extra page behind home tasks. That's an easy one. Whoops, oh, excuse me. We can click on the plus button and then click on the plus button again to the right, and then we're going to insert a page, and then we can come down here and just choose the page that we'd like to have. I don't know why, but for some reason I've been going back to this writing, you know, these tablets we use like in the 2nd grade, the Big Chief tablets. So you can just interject that, and then you'll have that place, that larger note section right there when you're finished. So that's just an easy way. Of course, you can duplicate the pages and insert them that way, but that's just an easy way. So I hope this helps you. Feel free to leave me some comments or questions if you have those, but other than that, please enjoy.